Hello everyone and welcome back to the Smart English podcast. I am Emma and I am Lily. We are excited to have you with us today. Lily, today's topic is very important, especially for students preparing for IELTS. That sounds interesting. Today's topic is online learning versus traditional classroom learning. Oh, that's a classic IELTS topic. Many students are asked about it in a speaking test. Exactly. So let's explore it together in a fun and simple way. Emma, what is online learning? Online learning is studying through the internet using platforms like Zoom, YouTube, and educational apps. And traditional classroom learning means studying in a school or college with a teacher and classmates. That's right. Both methods have their own advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with online learning. What do you like about it? I love its flexibility. You can study anytime and anywhere. That's true. It also saves times and travel costs. Yes, and students can replay recorded lessons to understand better. It it is also comfortable. You can study from your home. Here are some key advantages. Flexible schedule saves times and money, access to global courses, learn at your own pace, comfortable environment. Now let's talk about traditional classrooms. Why are they important? They provide face-to-face interaction with the teachers and classmates. That helps students stay disciplined and focused. Exactly. It also improves communication and teamwork skill. And students can ask questions and get immediate feedback. Here are the main benefits. Direct interaction with teachers, better concentration, structured learning environment, social development, instant doubt solving. So, Emma, which do you prefer, online learning or traditional classrooms? I prefer online learning because it is flexible and convenient. What about you? I prefer traditional classrooms. I enjoy interacting with the teachers and classmates. That's a good point. Classroom learning keeps students motivated, and online learning is perfect for working professionals. So, the best choice depends on individual needs. Absolutely. Both methods are valuable. Let's practice a sample IELTS answer. Great idea. Here's the question. Do you prefer online learning or classroom learning? Here's a simple answer. I prefer online learning because it is flexible and convenient. It allows me to study at my own pace and saves travel time. However, traditional classrooms are better for interaction and discipline. That's a perfect IELTS style response. Lily, quick answers. I am ready. Online classes or offline classes? Offline classes. Study at home or in a library? Library. Recorded lectures or live classes? Live classes. And you? Online classes, home study and recorded lectures. Great choices. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Today we discussed online learning versus traditional classroom learning, a popular IELTS topic. We hope this conversation helps you improve your English and prepare for your IELTS exam. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, share, and subscribe with your friends. Keep practicing, keep learning, and stay confident. We will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.